Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Subscribestar, support and manage creators step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Next, type in your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh as your information is verified. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. From here, you can explore various creators you support. To manage your subscriptions, navigate to the My Subscriptions section. In this area, you can view all the creators you support. If you want to support new creators, use the search bar to find them. Browse and select a creator whose content interests you. Follow the prompts to complete your subscription process. You can also manage your payment methods in the account settings. To access your account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you can update your payment information and other preferences. For any support issues, scroll down to the footer of the page. Click on the Help or Support link for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.